my dear children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very well. So, in today's session, what we are going to start? You can see on your screen. In today's session, we are going to start about dresses. Okay, so as we all know, after food, dresses are our second basic need. Okay, so in this chapter, what we are going to see? We are going to see different types of dresses. Okay, dresses for man, dresses for woman. Okay, headgears. Now, about our Indian clothes, about our Western clothes. Okay, and there are some special dresses. Okay, which we wear on special occasion. So all this thing we are going to see in our today's session. Okay, my dear children. So, are you excited? Come with me and start the chapter. Our country has many landform and climatic condition. Okay, my dear students. Okay, so our country has many landform and climatic condition. These factors affect the lifestyle of the people. As you know, our country, India, is a vast country. Okay, that's why here many physical features are present like mountains, coastal areas, deserts, plain. Okay, so similarly, in all those physical landsform, population live. So the clothing style of those population is totally dependent upon their physical features. Okay, for example, the people of coastal areas. Okay, the people of coastal areas and the people who lives in desert areas, usually they wear cotton dresses. Okay, why? Because due to humidity, due to dry weather. Okay, and the people of plain areas usually wear both summer dresses as well as winter dresses. Okay, the food we eat, and the dresses we wear differ from state to state and also from season to season. And you know what? The food which we eat, okay, is different from state to state. Okay, means a Kashmiri people, a Jammu and Kashmir people eat different kind of food. Okay, and an Arunachal Pradesh people eat different kind of food. Similarly, a Gujarati and a Tamilian, okay, means Tamil Nadu state and Gujarat state, their food habits are different. Similarly, their dressing style is also different. In the northern region, people wear cotton clothes to keep cool in summer, but in winter, they wear woolen clothes to protect themselves from the cold. So, now we are going to start what dresses women wear. Okay, let's have a look. Indian women like to wear colorful dresses. Most of the women throughout the country wear saris, but the way they drap and style saris varies from state to state. So, my dear students, the traditional dress of Indian women is sari. Okay, but the draping pattern, okay, means wearing pattern of sari is different from one state to another state. Additionally, there are other traditional dresses that are widely worn by women like salwar kameez in Punjab, ghagra chole with odhni in Haryana, ghagra with kachli in Rajasthan, lehenga and choli in Gujarat. In cities and towns, women also wear the skirts, shirts and trousers. So, my dear students, here you can see in different states of India, the dressing pattern of women is also different. For example, here you can see the Punjabi women. Okay, so the Punjabi women wear usually patiala salwar kameez. Okay, and in Haryana, okay, in Haryana, women wear ghagra kurta, means a long skirt having a long kurta, and they carry orni, okay, orni on their head. Now, in Rajasthan, okay, in Rajasthan, women wears ghagra with kachli. Kachli is a type of blouse, okay. And in Gujarat, women wear lehenga and choli, okay. But apart from this traditional dresses, in cities and town, women also wear shirt, t-shirts, skirts, jeans, trousers, etc. and etc. Like young girl of the southern states, okay, wear long skirt or mundu, a lungi with blouse. Okay, similarly, if I talk about southern states, okay, if I talk about the southern states, the young girl wear a long skirt, okay, or mundu. Mundu means lungi, okay, a cotton type of cloth used for draping in lower portion of our body. Okay, similarly in Assam, okay, women wear mekhla chadar Women in the northern and eastern states mostly wear a sari with a blouse. Now, if South Indian girls, young girls, wear long skirt or mundu, similarly, the young women of Assam state, which is in northeastern part of India, they wear mekhla and chadar. Okay, and if I talk about in common, most women of northern and eastern state of India prefer wearing sari with blouse. Okay, so my dear students, here you can see they are the different type of dresses worn by women. See, jeans and top, lehenga choli, sari, long dresses. Okay, this is your ghagra choli and this is your salwar kameez. Okay, so this is a type of dresses worn by women in northern or all over India. Now we are going to talk about what kind of dresses usually Indian men wear. Let's have a look. The clothes man wear also vary from state to state. Just like women, man also wear different types of dresses based on their state. Okay. The man in city mostly wear a shirt with a trouser. But the man who lives in city or towns, they prefer wearing shirt with trousers. The other clothes popular with men are dhoti kurta, pajama kurta, lungi kurta, etc. Okay, so apart from shirt and trousers, men also wear traditional attires like dhoti kurta, okay, lungi and kurta in South India, and pajama and kurta in northern states of India. Okay, and dhoti kurta worn by basically Rajasthani and Gujarati people. Okay, man in West Bengal and Assam mostly wear dhoti kurta. Okay, so the man from West Bengal and Assam wear dhoti and kurta. In Tamil Nadu, man wear lungi, which is called as vishti. Okay, so while in Kerala it is called mundu. See, lungi is a piece of cotton. Okay, worn by man and woman both in southern India. But you know what? Lungi is known by different names. For example, in Tamil Nadu, lungi is known as vishti. But on Kerala state, it is known as mundu. Okay. In Rajasthan, man wear chudidar pajama kurta with achkan or angarkha. Okay. Angarakha. Okay. In Rajasthan, usually a man wear chudidar pajama kurta. Okay. With achkan and angarakha. Thus, people in town and villages prefer to wear more traditional forms of clothes. Okay. So, my dear students, here you can see there are the different types of clothes is worn by man. This is your formal attire. Here your pajama with long kurta, kurta pajama, lungi and shirt, and this is your traditional kurta pajama worn by Punjabi man. Now, my dear students, after the traditional dresses means after the dresses worn by man and woman, there are also few pieces of clothes worn by man and woman on their head. So here we are going to see. Let's have a look. Those piece of clothes which we wear on our head to cover our head in most part of our India, those piece of cloth is known as headgears. Okay, let's have a look. Man in different states cover their head in different ways. Okay, similarly, if Punjabi man cover their head, okay, that named as a different name. Okay, a Tamilian people, a Tamil Nadu people wear something on their head, it has a different name. Similarly, all the man who wear headgears have a different name in their state. Let's have a look. Turban and caps are used for covering the heads. Now, the two most common headgears which we use are turbans and caps to cover our head. But the turban of the Punjabi, a Rajasthani or a Maharashtrian style is different. But you know what? By wearing pattern of that turban in Punjabi, in Gujarati, in Rajasthani and in Maharashtrian attire, they all are in different. For example, Gandhi cap is also popular in Gujarat. The Gandhi cap. And why Gandhi cap is popular in Gujarat? Because Gandhiji was from Gujarat. That's why Gandhi cap is most popular among Gujarati people and many other states also. In Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, man wear woolen or fur caps. Okay, but in Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, man wear woolen or fur caps. Why they wear woolen and fur caps? Because, my dear students, these are the cold places. Okay. So here you can see they are the different types of headgears. This is fur cap or woolen cap. Okay, this is type of a worn by specifically Rajasthani people, okay, or Haryana people, and this type of pagdi is worn by Gujarati people, and you all know this type of turban is worn by Punjabis people, okay. So now we are going to discuss about Western clothes. So the dresses which we discussed right now, they all are our Indian, all of them in majority are in Indian style. Now we are going to discuss about Western clothes. We Indians also adopted Western attires, okay. So let's have a look. People also like to wear Western clothes. Man wear trousers, shirt, jeans, t-shirts, jackets and ties. Women wear trousers, jeans, skirts, top, scarves and stole. In regions with particularly cold winter, people wear woolen clothing to stay warm. They use blankets, quilts, shawls, etc. Man and woman wear long woolen clothes when it is very cold. So, we Indians also wear Western clothes. Okay, for example, gents wear or man wear trousers, shirts, jeans, t-shirts, jackets, and ties. And on the other hand, women wear tops, t-shirts, okay, shirt, trousers, skirt, scarves, okay. And the man and woman living in colder region, they wear woolen clothes, okay, to keep themselves warm, okay. Like what kind of woolen clothes? They use blankets, they use quilts, they use shawls, etc., okay. So after all these things, there are also few type of clothes which we wear on special occasion. Now let's have a look. On a special occasion like wedding and festival, people wear formal dresses. Women wear gold and silver jewelry. Bride and bridegrooms too wear special dresses. Now, my dear children, see, on special occasions like wedding or parties, man and woman wear traditional attires, okay. Like women wear gold and silver jewelry, okay. Bride and bridegrooms wear special dresses for their wedding purposes. So my dear, this is all in this chapter which tells us about different types of clothing things, okay. So now here comes your work. You have to go thoroughly through this chapter and you have to complete the exercise based on this chapter, okay. So I'm going to meet with you all in our next session with a new chapter. Till then, take very good care of yourself, my dear students. Bye.